Hey there, good morning. It's meteorologist Julia Quady taking a look at our view from our Pigeon Forge cam. Dark skies out there, got a bit of an hour or so wait before we start to see more of that sunshine come throughout the region. Now it is going to be a cool start for us. Our air temperatures are a little bit warmer in comparison to yesterday, sitting into those upper 30s to lower 40s, but our feel like temperatures are lagging well behind, reaching into those upper 20s to lower 30s. So our feel like temperatures are really going to be sitting in that same range that we woke up to and had to deal with yesterday, all because of those gusty winds that are already in place for us this morning that will only increase as we head towards the afternoon. Even so, though, afternoon high temperatures will reach near average into the lower 50s today, but again, it may not quite feel like it because of those wind speeds that will pick up throughout the day. Now, looking at our current winds right now, mostly going nearby 15 to 20 miles an hour across most of our neighborhoods. But by this afternoon, those wind speeds will pick up, going closer to 30 miles an hour, and wind gusts going around 45 miles an hour. So really strong winds we'll have to contend with today across the region. So we do have a wind advisory going to place at 1 o'clock, or excuse me, rather at 7 o'clock this morning, in place until 1 o'clock in the morning on your Thursday. All of this going to be really tied to a cold front that's going to pass through our region, giving us some light shower opportunities across East Tennessee with these two lines I'll pass on through. The second one coming in by this afternoon into late tonight, giving us the snowfall opportunities for the higher elevations. That's going to last into the overnight into your Thursday morning. So we'll also have a winter weather advisory in place for the higher elevations beginning at 1 o'clock this afternoon, lasting until 10 o'clock in the morning on your Thursday. Of course, this cold front was also going to offer colder temperatures ahead for us on Thursday, rebound back to those near average high temperatures to wrap up our work week and to start off our weekend. But then looking ahead towards early next week, we're dropping right back down to those lower 40s, slowly increasing to the upper 40s by our Monday and Tuesday. But again, that's going to be tied towards yet another cold system that's going to pass through our region here in East Tennessee to keep this roller coaster of temperatures going.